400 pesos. How's your day? Very good. See that, guys and gals? Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. Day 84 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Yesterday was my 83 and I forgot it again. Anyway, guys and gals, do the same thing, okay? Earn, save on your own, not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises, business transactions, or any business proposals. Avoid that. Be aware and beware. Otherwise, when you got failed, you feel upset, depressed, sad, devastated, angry, mad, whatever ill feelings. And then your dreams will not push through. Okay? Thank you, Lord. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Bye for now.